Hello everyone and welcome to episode 17 of Form Guru series by MakeForms. I am Pratik, founder of MakeForms, and today we are going to take a look at GDPR consent field in MakeForms. So if you want to create GDPR compliant forms, then you have to have your users explicitly click a button or a radio box, not a radio box, but a checkbox that says, I consent to be contacted. So let's say you are having an inquiry form on your website and you are collecting those data, and now you are going to reach out to that person over email. Then, under the GDPR law, you need to take that user's consent to give his, to kind of collect his information, and the user has to give that consent to you. So in such a case, what you can do is you can have this field which is called the GDPR field at at the extreme bottom of the form, so that the person has to select that before he submits the form. So let's take a quick look at the same and write GDPR consent collection. Okay. So what we will do is we'll quickly have this name, address, email, phone number, and then you can either search for GDPR, or else you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will see GDPR agreement field. So you will click this, and now you can see that as soon as you have clicked, you can just write in your answer here. I consent MakeForms to contact me for their product. Okay, demo, let's say for the product demo. And here, if you want to kind of you know do some formatting wherein you want to just mark something as bold, or you want to mark it as italic, underline, you can do all of those things. And you can also say as per in there, and store my data as per their privacy policy. And then what we can do is we can link it out to our privacy policy page. So this is how you can create a consent field. Now, if at all you want them to also show your legal content, you can turn this on, and then we can just go into the lipsum field, and let's copy all of these data and paste it. Now we can also enforce reading. So when you select enforce reading, the user cannot select this unless and until he has just gone through the entire legal content. And then if you want to mandatory make it acceptance, like unless and until the user does not select this, he cannot submit this form, you can turn on the mandatory acceptance field. So this is how you can be legally compliant with the GDPR regulations while collecting the user's data. So now we are going to quickly publish this form and see it in action. All right, Pratik. And then you can see that this particular field is not yet active. So I have to just go through everything. Now I say I consent MakeForms to contact me for their product demo and store my data as per their privacy policy and submit it. So this is how you can collect the GDPR consent from your user who is filling out the form on your website. So that's it. You can see how easy it is to create this field in MakeForms. Thank you everyone. Pratik here from MakeForms. Bye bye.